closer a little bit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this Chanel 18S Spring Summer Act 2 collection, I just wanted to do one what's in my bag video for this new one that I just got this week. I'm so in love with this bag because this bag completes my collection, and I have never had a square mini. I always have rectangular mini, classic flap, medium to large flap, but I never have this beauty. Yep, so today we're gonna check what's in my bag. It's a Spring Summer Act 2 collection and a caviar leather. It's light gold hardware, so light gold looks a little bit like gold and silver. As you can see, I didn't take the sticker off yet. I'm not planning to take it off until it started peeling itself. Yeah, it's just me. And this is the tag, and I'll share the product number with you guys because this bag is still available, and I'll tell you guys like how to. I'll share some information how I get it later.
So basically this is the side view, and this bottom, and this is how the back looks. So I have all the stuff filled up
inside already, so I'll just open it to show you guys. Oh it's pretty full, as you can see, so I'll just take the stuff out one by one. So this is the lipstick, Huda Beauty. I really like this lipstick. A lot of times I feel lipstick could change the entire look. Yeah, I guess that's why girls are all obsessed with different lipsticks. And this is gum, and then this is chapstick. This is my favorite chapstick, for the best. And this is my Chanel card case, and this is a lambskin, as you can see, like all the corners and you know all these wear and tear. That's why I don't have any lambskin bag. No offense, lambskin is really beautiful, but I just learned my lesson that small leather goods, I would never ever get lambskin. They're just like so easily get ruined, but it's still a beautiful one. So I have my ID, some money, and a credit card inside. And then this is, I do put on top of my fake lashes because it makes the lashes blend in better. And then this is a really good one, it's pretty good. And glue, because you know, anybody that you wear fake lashes, you don't want your lashes fall off at the end of the night. That just doesn't look nice, so I always have it when I go out. And yes, answer a lot of the questions that you guys have. This one does fit an iPhone 7 Plus. Yep. That's all I have in my bag, and as you can see, and then there's another pocket. So I have my authenticity card here, and then there's another pocket before that. It's a single flap, and it just attached by the string on the side. This much stuff that I have put inside, it wasn't really like squished, or I didn't put too much stuff. It was like the right amount, because I also don't want to put too much pressure on the bag, but then it's like totally square. I'm so happy. It's just such a cute bag. Yeah, I want to share the story how I got this bag, just in case if you guys are interested in getting this bag as well. I knew at the beginning of this year, Spring Summer Act 2 gonna have a square mini. I was so excited, and I got the swatch from my essay. And then he told me that San Francisco store is not going to get any square mini, because you know that rectangular mini is relatively speaking easier to get than the square mini. It's just so hard to get one these days because they're not available every season, first of all, and then even they're available like this time. My essay told me the entire United States Chanel boutique, there's only 2 boutiques gonna get this square mini. But then my essay wouldn't want to tell me that which store has it, because he's losing the commission. He's not making the commission from me anyway, right? So he's kind of not wanting to tell me. But I'm so thankful that my essay in New York, she told me exactly which 2 boutiques has it, and I called up these 2 boutiques, and the one boutique told me that they're getting 6 of these, and I'm number 8 on the pre-order list. So I just got lucked out because there like 2 people didn't want this bag, and I don't know why. I'm just lucky to get this bag. So for any of you are in the hunt for a square mini, what I would say is, because they're not available every season, but if you find out they are available at certain season from your essay, just try your best to find out like which boutique has it, because they have the information. If they are really nice to you, they will tell you which boutique has it, and then get on the pre-order list. That's the only way, because once the bag becomes available, they arrive at the store, there's no way that you can just walk in to get a bag. You have to do pre-order. I hope this is helpful for you guys. You guys have any comments or questions? If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, so when I upload a new video, you will get notification. And I promise I'll do more videos. Bye bye.